mixer. Isn't that super exciting? Have you ever seen one up close before? I sure haven't. Come on, let's go take a look. Wow, look at this truck. Do you see all those tires? Whoa, that's like 12 tires on this thing. But wait a minute. There's 2 more on the back. You see this right there? That's called the drop axle. And you have to put that down if you have a super heavy load. Whoa! Wow! Isn't this so awesome? Well, let's talk about the different parts of this cement mixer. First, we have the cab right here, and it's green. I love the color green. Then over here, look at this. This right here is a water tank, and it can hold 150 gallons of water. Isn't that so awesome? This water tank is used to keep the cement wet so it doesn't dry in this big old barrel right here, and also for the job site cleanup. Isn't that awesome? 150 gallons, that's a lot of water. And look at this, this is a pressure control panel, and it just helps balance the weight while you're driving. Isn't that cool? Check this out. This right here is the motor for this drum, the barrel. Whoa, look at how big that barrel is. And this right here is the hydraulic fluids. Whoa, and you see this right here? This right here is the tag axle. It's an extra axle for this truck because when it gets really heavy, you need all the help you can get to support it. This is the air shocks. Woo, that's full of air and it can compress and it can fill. Isn't that really cool? Whoa, you see the size of that barrel? This barrel holds 10 yards. That's a lot of concrete. And this truck can hold 66,000 pounds. Whoa. That is one heavy machine. That must be a big engine on this truck, huh? Wow. Well, do you want to go take a look up here? Come on. Look how high I am. You gotta be careful when you're climbing up high, huh? This right here is the hopper, and you can look inside the barrel through the hopper. It even echoes. Whoa, do you see this hopper? Hey! You hear my echo down there too? Well, this hopper is the spot that they load this concrete truck with. Isn't that cool? You back the truck up, they drop the cement into this, and it fills up the barrel. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Hello there! How you doing? It's me, Brecky Breck! Oh my goodness, look at this. This right here is the control panel, and this is the chute. This is what you drop down to start releasing cement onto your job site. But in order to see that in action, we got to turn on this truck. So I'm going to introduce you to my friend really quick. Come on. This is my friend Mitch. Hey Mitch, you want to start up this truck for me?
I'd be glad to.
Wow, you see the barrel spinning now? Well, guess what? When that barrel is full of cement, it has to keep turning because you would not want the cement to dry inside of the barrel. That would be really hard to get it out, wouldn't it? Well, now that the truck is on, Mitch is going to drop down the chutes and get ready for a pour. These right here are the extensions to the chute. Those look heavy. Whoa, check this out. Each one of these chutes is 4.5 feet long. Check it out! I feel like a concrete worker. Wow, this cement mixer doesn't have any cement in it right now, so today we're just gonna demonstrate what it would be like to be on a site. Come on! Alright, so I'm what you would call a foreman, and I'm gonna pretend to direct the concrete coming down. Alright, Mitch, I'm ready! You can rotate this thing any way you want. And guess what? You can rotate it so that when the cement's coming down, it doesn't just dump into one big pile. You can make sure it's spreading out around the foundation or the sidewalks. Isn't that cool? How it over here anyways. Let's take a look. Oh, look at this. So he gets to operate a remote control truck, essentially. Wow, did you see that? He just sped up the barrel a little bit. Let's slow it down. Oh, and he can control the hopper. Did you see that too? He controlled the hopper to move it out of his way. Wow, that's a lot of controls that you have over the cement. That's pretty neat. You see those fins in there? Yeah, well those help cut through the concrete and keep it moving. Keep the circulation going so it doesn't dry up. Woohoo! All right, well now that that's all done, we gotta put away the chutes. Chain on to make sure those chutes don't come off while you're driving. It looks like it's all wrapped up and Mitch is ready to go. Well, we'll see you later, Mitch. Thanks a lot. All right, we'll see you later. Since we didn't get to see any concrete coming out of that one, let's take a look at a few cement mixers in action. Cement mixers with you. I've never got to see one up close like that before. Well, that's the end of this video. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.